Hello everyone, welcome back to Jan Pedagogy. In this section, we are going to see about Lesson 1 book back exercises what, where, how and when for class 6 students. Imagine you have to interview an archaeologist. Prepare a list of 5 questions that you would like to ask her or him. Answer. What is archaeology? What does an archaeologist do? What is the process involved in excavation? How does archaeologist determine the age of any of the objects discovered from excavations? Why are symbols important in the field of archaeology? Let's recall. 1. Match the following. Narmada Valley, the first big kingdom. Magadha, hunting and gathering. Garo Hills, cities about 2500 years ago. Indus and its tributaries, early agriculture. Ganga Valley, the first cities. Answer. Narmada Valley, hunting and gathering. Magadha, the first big kingdom. Garo Hills, early agriculture. Indus and its tributaries, the first cities. Ganga Valley, cities about 2500 years ago. Question number 2. List one major difference between manuscripts and inscription. Answer. Manuscripts. Inscription. Manuscripts are the old books that give handwritten accounts. Inscriptions are engraved form of writing used for various purposes. These were written on leaves and barks of trees. These were written on hard surfaces. Example, stones. Question number 3. Written to Rashida's question, can you think of some answers to it? Answer. One can know what had happened so many years ago through these ways. Inscription, manuscripts, tools and weapons, reading books written in the past. Make a list of all objects that archaeologists may find. Which of these could be made of stones? Answer. The finding of archaeologists could be of 9 different ways. 1. Building made of stone and brick. 2. Paintings. 3. Sculpture. 4. Tools. 5. Weapons. 6. Pots. 7. Pans. 8. Ornaments. 9. Coins. The objects that could be made of stones are buildings, tools, weapons, ornaments. Why do you think ordinary men and women did not generally keep records of what they did? Answer. Unlike the present day, record keeping was not easy in the past. Records were usually maintained by kings to describe their victories in battles. These records were maintained by inscribing on stones, which were not an easy task that could be carried out by ordinary men and women. Question number 6. Describe at least 2 ways in which you think the lives of kings would have been different from those of farmers. Answer. Kings had absolute power over all his subjects, irrespective of their profession. Farmers had no such powers. Kings lived in palaces. Farmers had no such opportunities. The king was responsible for protecting his kingdom by waging battles, whereas the farmer's responsibilities were to grow crops. Okay children, I hope this section is useful to you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. I'll meet you guys on the next video. Until then, bye bye from Priyadarshini.